You are a premier commercial contractor, so winning new project work like system repairs, retrofits, and installations is easy. The hard part is keeping dozens or hundreds of these projects on budget and on track, especially when you're trying to keep your team up to speed while clearly communicating the status and issues to your customer. To make matters worse, it's practically impossible to manage all these projects out of your accounting system and other software that just isn't made for commercial projects or service work. They give you no visibility to what's actually happening on site, job cost reports are weeks out of date, and it's an ordeal to pull service techs onto a project if you need to speed up timelines because the service team works on a different system. So, your team is stuck doing everything manually, calling technicians, chasing paperwork, projecting costs in spreadsheets, tracking change orders, all just to stay on top of the work. Not anymore. ServiceTrade helps you stay in control with up-to-the-second job cost reporting across all your budgeted projects. Stay on budget and on track by catching delays and cost overruns earlier with detailed cost breakouts for each project and clear call-outs about operational issues. When issues do arise, protect your margins with change orders that your customer can view and approve online with a single click. ServiceTrade keeps your team up to speed and your customer up to date with a single source of truth about each project that goes beyond the financials. Technicians can easily share real-time progress reports from the field with notes, pictures, videos, and issue reports so everyone knows exactly what's happening on site, especially your customer who will see a detailed timeline of the project from start to finish. All of this happens without slowing down your technicians because the ServiceTrade mobile app helps them stay focused and productive with clear instructions about the work they are doing, project documentation, and time tracking so they don't have to worry about paper reports or time cards. ServiceTrade helps you manage your customer's entire equipment lifecycle. Your team can manage everything from installation to service agreement to repair quote, all in one platform built for projects and service work. Schedulers can easily pull technicians from the service team to speed up projects, and your technicians will never miss a beat because their processes are the same from job to job. If you're ready to take control and accelerate your business, request a demo of ServiceTrade today and see how easy it is to stay on budget and on track, keep everyone up to speed, and manage projects and service all in one platform.